Here we have Tine. Tine is on her way to school. Does she remember to turn off all the electric things?
No, she doesn't.
Now Tine is sleeping. Does she remember to turn off all the electric things this time?
No, she doesn't. But she looks happy, right? Does the ice bear look happy too?
Well, it could be better. Much better. And there's many other animals who isn't happy because of the global heating.
How can Tine help the Earth? Well, she could start to turn off all the electric things when they aren't used.
Now the ice bear looks happy.
Remember, you can do a change for the world too. Turn off the electric things when you don't use them.